So hi friends, myself Shivam creating my first YouTube video. You have to try it starting with my YouTube journey today. So you have to note this day out. So today is February 6th and someday in future we will watch this video again and whoa. So yeah, let's come to this part. Let's come to this video. This video is a basic introduction about me and about this channel, that what you will get in this channel and what type of content you will get in this channel. So let's start with it. So right now I am 17 years of age and I started when I was just 14. Yeah, you heard it right. And some of you will think, isn't it earliest to start with? But according to me, I don't think so. You have to start as early as you can to become something great. Yeah, to own that skill set is the most important thing. And if you will become the part of the modern education system, yeah, so you will not going to learn that at all. So you have to own some skill. That is the most important part, because academic knowledge will not help you if you want to become something big, something extraordinary. So you have to go a little out of path, little a lot of out of path. Yeah, that would be a little good statement. So yeah, so this channel, let's come to this channel. What type of content I will be giving in this channel, and for whom this channel is. If you are a young boy, even if you are an adult, yeah, and you want to do business, if you are doing business, if you are stuck somewhere in business, if you want to automate your business or delegate your business, this channel is for you. Yeah, I will be providing best marketing strategies, content creation strategies, automation tools, and how to set up them, how to do business in a process. Yeah, there is a specific process, how to start with, how it is a step-by-step process actually. And if you go out of the process, business में problems आएंगी. Yeah, there will lot of problems if you will go out of the process in the business. Yeah, so this is all you will get in this channel, and even more. Let's stay tuned. Let's become a family from the very day, from the day first, from today. Let's become a family. So we have to reach that height together, we have to climb together, and we have to roar together, है ना? So yeah, so bye bye, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for other videos, for next videos, and thank you so much. Bye bye.